In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to create free AI avatars on TikTok. TikTok offers users the opportunity to create personalized AI avatars, and here's how. Open the TikTok app on your device and navigate to your profile. Tap on your profile picture to access additional settings. Select Try Avatar and tap on Create to begin avatar creation process. Next, choose 3 to 10 photos from your device's gallery that will be used to train the AI model. Tap on Create to proceed after you finish. Next, select your preferred avatar styles from the options provided and tap Continue. You can now choose how you want to use your avatars. You have the option to download them to your device or set them as your profile picture directly within TikTok. To download your avatars, tap Download in the top right corner and select the avatars you wish to download, and then tap Download button again. Alternatively, to use the avatar as your profile picture, tap on the avatar you'd like to use and tap on Use for Profile. As simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.